Knife collector the Netherlands here. Thanks for tuning in. I'm pretty excited. I have a new model of Kizer in front of me. It's the Kizer Roach or 4477A1 in full titanium. This one is not yet available in Europe. It just recently became available in the United States. But I have the privilege to hold the prototype, an official prototype of Kizer, which was in the possession of Messenzo in the Netherlands. Messenzo.com is a web shop in the Netherlands, and Hans, the owner, took this prototype with him from the last SHOT Show, so about a month ago or so. Just recently this model has become available in the big United States knife sellers, and Europe has to follow pretty soon now. Of course, the Vanguard model, the Roach, is available since a couple of months now, but that is not with full titanium but with G10, not with S35 steel but with VG10. So this is the prototype, but this is a definitive prototype. So it's exactly like the production models will look like. Very nice knife, very nice designed. Designer is Degnan. Kizer has some more collaborations with Degnan. And this is, as told, the Roach. And you see the Roach on the sculpted pocket clip, full titanium pocket clip. Some specs. This knife, blade length is 3.5 inch or 88.9 centimeter. Closed length is 4.8 inch or 12.2 centimeter. Overall open length is 8.3 inch or 21.1 centimeter. Thickness of the blade is 0.157 inch or 4 millimeter. The weight is 7 ounce or 198 gram. So it's a sturdy, hefty knife. It's not lightweight, but because of the balance, the ergonomics doesn't feel like a heavy knife. The titanium is kind of bead blasted or something. It has a very nice texture, offers some grip. The handle has plenty of room for a full finger grip, with a groove for the pinky. You can easily choke up on the knife. for very big hands. Maybe for very big hands the handle is a bit too short. Very nice sculpted pivot. It's a frame lock with a steel insert and an over travel stop. Very nice springy titanium clip. Oh man, that titanium, I love it. It's a bit Sebenza like treatment they did. Very nice titanium backspacer. And then the blade itself, stonewash finish, F35 VN steel. Very nice edge, even on both sides. And despite the thickness of the stock, 4 millimeters, with the height of the blade, it thins out to a very nice thin edge for this knife. Very nice drop point. Somewhere this knife does remind me of the Kershaw Junkyard Dog. Smoothness. This knife has to break in yet, but it's already very smooth. It falls under its own weight. It has a multi-row bearing system. Centering, I haven't tuned this knife yet, but it looks like it's a very tiny bit off center. Very small bit. Very nice hardware. This is a very capable knife. I think this knife is an excellent EDC knife, but also very nice to use in the kitchen. And I think for hunting this will do the job also. Maybe for skinning the point is a bit I think the point is maybe a bit too pointy, but I think you can use this knife for skinning. Deployment action very fast. It's more a light switch, but it also can push button, but it's more a light switch knife. Light switched flipper. Very nice blade. Here you can see the roach on the pocket clip. Very well done cutout for the frame lock. Steel insert, over travel, ceramic detent. Detent is excellent. Nice round off, chamfered. No sharp corners. Round off on the back of on the spine of the blade. This is a very nice, capable, well thought, well designed knife with a very nice handle blade ratio. blade shouldn't be 2 millimeters longer, or it would cut you. So very nice ratio. Of course, the Kizer logo, the Kizer model number, the steel, the name of the knife, and I'm very glad Kizer give their knives names now these days, and the designer Degnan. Comparing with another knife, I will compare it with the Benchmade Rift. As you can see, it's about the same length. Handle is a bit longer than the Rift, and the blade is a little shorter than the Rift, but all in all, same length. By the way, this Benchmade Rift is for sale, brand new, never used, very smooth action, but I have 2 Benchmade Rifts, so one of them may go. So that was the Kizer Roach. Very excited about this knife because of the nice organic lines. Very nice lines, very nice design. Questions, comments, please let me know. If you like this video, please like it. If you like this channel, please subscribe. I wish you a happy Easter, and till the next time.